Hello everyone, welcome to Atlantic County Fishing. This video, I made it in August 23rd, 2018, but I never got the chance to put it on the channel because I just didn't have time. I came here this afternoon with green night crawlers. They were almost dead, but I remember I brought my bottle with the green night crawlers and they were almost dead, but I managed to cut some pieces. This is my first fish I got in my fishing session. It's a bluegill. I got many fish in this fishing session, so I don't know exactly the number, but at the end of the video I will be able to give you the amount of fish I get, depending on the species too. Today was very hot too, I remember. I think it went all the way up to 82, and so the fish were buying a lot, like you're seeing right now. This is my second fish, it's a bluegill again. And what I like most about this place is about the fish ladder. I think it's pretty cool. Lets the fish go all the way up to the lake, I think. Yeah, from the creek to the lake. Especially for fish that are like migrating and stuff like that. This is my third fish. It's a bluegill too. My fourth fish is a bluegill too. And I remember I came to this site around 4 p.m. and then I went back around 7. So basically, this fishing session has two parts. One of the first one that I go like this, and the second one is the one that I return. That's another blue gill I got. Hopefully I didn't say bluefish. Blue gill, yeah. And this is the second part of the video when I come back around 7 o'clock. And this part is when the video gets fun. This is when the fishing session really starts.
Well, when we came back, we can see that the water is pretty much more calm now.
I gotta say that was a very interesting detail because really there was the water was not as calm when I came back at 3 like when I was at 4. And my first cast in this moment was a bluegill too. I'm putting an audio on this video because I did this video in August of 2018 and I started the channel in March. So so there are parts that I didn't really interact much with the video. So that's why I'm adding this audio. So let me know by the comments if you do like me putting a voice. I don't know, I just felt like it was better than nothing. Otherwise it would be just me fishing and fishing. So my next cast is it's a red breast sunfish. So that was my first one. of that species. So far I have 6 bluegills and 1 redbreast.
Oh, nice.
And that's a really nice black crappie I got there too. That's my third species of the video. So at that moment I ran out of green night crawlers, so I decided on using my gold. The jig head I'm using is 1/64, so it was very light.
What is nice about the gold is that I won't have to change the bait because they never eat it, and it doesn't get destroyed. But let's see if they bite.
So the fish were pretty aggressive that afternoon, so I was lucky and they were biting everything. And that's my... Yep, that's my second redbreast. Yeah, some of them I put them on the fish ladder. That's a bluegill. Yep, me showing it to the camera. Nice. Then there's one more fish species that you haven't seen that I got in this fishing session, and I got pretty excited about it. Yep,
Yes!
there is.
Yes! The one I was looking for! It's a white perch! Nice! This is so nice.
I gotta say that was my first time fishing in this spot last year, so I really didn't know what species I was gonna get, and
Let's see how it
just
swims.
getting a white perch was really cool.
Wow, that's so nice. Let me take some out. Let's see if I can get a yellow perch, because I haven't got any yellow perch this year.
So in that moment when I knew that the fish were biting a lot,
Oh,
I decided on just
throwing,
casting over there.
Nice.
I gotta say,
so
all these fish were, even though I edited the video, they were distance between the pictures were like minutes, not even like 10-15 minutes range. Because I was just here like for an hour when I came back at 7, and before I was like 30 minutes maybe or 40 minutes, so it wasn't really like I was waiting for a lot of time, or I was casting many times. This probably was my fourth cast. That's another white perch. That's a bluegill. So far, of course, I got many more bluegills than redbreasts or black crappies or white perch.
Another white perch. Nice.
So yeah, that spot was really nice. I came here to this spot this last September, and
Proud of me.
myself, so proud of myself, I meant to say. I came to this spot in September, and I was able to walk in the creek a little bit, like past this fish ladder, and had a better angle to fish. So it's really cool. I think that that was my first time there, so that's why I just stopped there. That's another bluegill.
White perch. Nice. White perch. Bus, bus, bus. Oh, it's a crappie. Well, it's fine. That's
It's funny
fine. That's
because
fine.
I'm saying like I wasn't too excited to get a black crappie, but listen, sometimes you come fishing, you go fishing, and there's no fish biting, and a black crappie, just getting one is like enough. But in this fishing session specifically, it was like probably like my 15th fish of the session, so that's why I was like I wasn't too impressed. But I was glad to get black crappies that day too.
Let's look at the cricket. Let's see how the cricket does.
And yeah, I try the cricket one to see if I was gonna get any bite, and I did. I did got bites. Yeah, bluegill.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Wow. Wow, you saw that? Let's do it one more
So
time.
yeah, as soon as I start casting and the jig head will be in the water, right away I will get bites. So I think the white perch were there, and the bluegills, and
These fish, you know
like
what? These fish are
everyone.
waiting for insects or for anything to fall here.
Yeah, maybe that fish ladder lets insects to fall into that specific spot, and that's why all the fish are there waiting. So yeah, I have seen people on that side, on that little island or of sand over there, getting catfish too. And this is a
Yes.
white perch, right? If I'm not wrong. Yep, it's a white perch. This is my 5th white perch. I already have 2 black crappies, 2 red breast sunfish, and 11 bluegills. That's a bluegill.
Look, ta-da!
Yeah. This is a black crappie too. So the black crappies were not like
Look at the big mouth they have.
super
Look
big
at it.
black
Look at it.
crappies, but I would say that was like an acceptable medium
Nice,
size.
beautiful fish.
Pretty small still, but not super small either. And my cast there was a that's a bluegill. That's another bluegill.
These fish are hungry today, huh? They are eating anything.
So I would say this was my best fishing session of the channel so far. Like, I think I've never got so many fish in such a small amount of time, ever, and put it on YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far, enjoying the video, and are really having fun seeing all the catches I got. That's a bluegill. I think I already record that number there on the paper because I want to give you the number at the end, like the total number I meant. So the video is almost over. Like I would say, like we're past the half of the video, and this is a white perch. Yeah, some of them I stopped taking pictures, so there is like at that point I just stopped taking the pictures. All the fish were pretty much the same size. But what I like doing these channels, I like always keeping it real and getting a chance to put all my catches, and also you guys seeing them. It could make the video a little much longer, but I just really want to put everything out there. Maybe at some point I will get so many fish that I won't I won't put all the catches because it would be like too long. But I don't know, I just want you guys to see all the ones I got. That's a bluegill. So far I have 4 species. You know, if maybe I would have used Senko, I could have got a bass or a pickerel. Who knows? It would have been nice, but I don't know. We'll see. That's a white perch. So let's see what else is biting. And I remember it was getting very dark, so I basically had to leave the place because I couldn't see anything, and my GoPro wasn't like it was not working anymore. It was too dark for the GoPro to be able to it was too dark for me to be able to make a really nice video. That was a black crappie, right? That's a
Alright.
white perch. That was white perch.
Wow, that was an amazing fishing. Amazing fishing.
Yeah, so I was very
One
happy.
more time
It was my first time
before we leave.
fishing in this place and getting as many fish. So I have so far, if I'm not wrong,
Vamos, let's go.
I have 8
Getting too dark.
white perch. I have 4 black crappies. I have 2 red breast
Let's go.
sunfish.
Wow, that was
And I
amazing.
have
Amazing.
16 bluegills. But I also got some fish in another area close to this area that I would put some shots or some short films of it. So I was very happy. You will hear it.
That was an amazing fishing adventure. Amazing. Best of best.
Wow. So there I'm putting my things in the car, and then that's when I actually do talk to the
Whoa.
camera, finally.
That was freaking crazy. I got a lot of fish.
Yeah.
Black crappies, sunfish, I think, bluegills, and white perch, the species that I was looking for. So excited, and I saw a native species on one of the creeks too, but I wasn't able to get it though. It was too small. See you guys. See you next time. Bye.
So yeah. These are the shots of the other catches I got. That's bluegill. Oh yeah, and there is one more species that I get, but I didn't got it anywhere else, so I didn't got the chance to put it. That's a red breast sunfish. It's a bluegill. And that's the one that I was waiting for. It's a pumpkin seed. So that was the fifth species of the video. That's a bluegill. And that's a red breast sunfish. So in total I have 36 fish.